this is actually at, I think, about 5 weeks. I watched it, did it. This is about 5 weeks into it. I did not rewash. Right here, you just see me palm rolling, and I'm actually just retwisting because it's actually easier for their hair, the way their hair is, for me to not wash on the first retwist. So because this is the first retwist that I wanted to set, I didn't wash. But honestly, their hair wasn't really dirty because I didn't saturate it with product or anything when I first did it. Really all I used was aloe vera and water, and I believe a tad bit of grease, or no, it was oil. I'm sorry, oil. So yeah, their hair really wasn't dirty at all, honestly. I kept it moisturized, and I really just didn't, like I said, put product in it. So only thing that accumulated was the natural oils that was already in their hair. So yeah, I hope I'm not doing anything wrong. This is actually my first time retwisting, doing locks, period, actually. But yeah, so now I'm just palm rolling. This is exciting because this is my first time doing it, and it was actually kind of fun. I think that you should definitely have a lot of clips on hand when you're retwisting, because I didn't have very many, and then they were small anyway. So for a future, I'm gonna definitely invest in more of the little silver duck clip things. And yeah, I think it'll be a lot less time consuming because I actually have to go through and see which ones were already starting to set in place before I actually pulled the clips out. So yeah, you can just sit back. Hopefully you enjoy. And it looks like I might be being rough with her, but I'm actually really not being rough. I just want to make that known. So yeah. I think at this point, this is when I was like really starting to be over it. Because I kind of just looked at how much I had did compared to how much I still had left, and I was just like, oh my gosh. But one thing I am learning with the girls' locks are that it's just how much time it takes to actually maintain this hairstyle. No, you don't have to do it like every day, but because of how much you actually do have to do when you redo it, whether it be every 4 to 6 weeks, whatever the case is, it is very time consuming. And I don't know, I guess you just gotta make it fun for you. I don't really know if you can make that fun, but I mean, I do enjoy doing the girls' hair. I love it, actually. They don't love it, which is why I went ahead and put locks in their hair either way. But this is honestly just kind of like a trial run, because I mean, I really don't know if I'm gonna continue to keep their hair, in locks. I love it, I honestly do, but I actually miss them having their natural hair out. Like if they were an afro or a little puffball, oh my god, it's so freaking cute. But yeah, I don't really know what I want to do with their hair yet, but that's why I'm not interlocking it or anything, because in the event that I do choose to comb the locks out, then it'll be, easier with conditioner and just, do it the regular way. So yeah. And right here is when she starts to notice that I'm actually recording her in London. It's so silly. But yeah, so now she's interested in looking at herself in my camera and everything. So she's like, She loves looking at herself. Oh my god, her and her sister and her brother and their brother. Oh my god, they're all just, I guess they're just amused by the way that they look. So here, I think I did really, really good, actually. For someone who this is their first time doing this locks period, I think I did a really good job. hopefully you guys do too. But yeah, this is just the beginning of their journey. If I do continue to do their hair this way, then I'll keep making more videos about it. She's so silly. But yeah, if they like it, I'll love it and I'll keep doing it. So yeah, thank you. Bye.